Hi there. This is going to be a short video on an application that I've made using Tkinter for a typing test. So the reason I chose this project was because as I was looking through YouTube to find any sort of Tkinter typing test applications for examples, I didn't find any complete apps. Um, most of the ones that I found were made in about a day, and I thought, they weren't that compelling. And as someone who really enjoys using websites like Fastfingers and typingtest.com, I wanted something that was more personalizable and completely custom. And so I made this, not only because I thought it was a fun project, but also I thought I might actually use it and hopefully get my typing skills up there. Yeah. But anyway, here's the application. I arbitrarily named it the Ultimate Typing Test. I don't think it is, but it's not too bad. So let me just give you a quick demo. So as you can see, as soon as you start typing, the timer starts. And I just have it on a minute timer. Also, when I make a mistake here, you can see that the word gets highlighted in red, so you know when you made a mistake. And obviously these gray highlighted words are the words that I'm currently typing out. And yeah, not too complicated here. Again, this was made using Tkinter, and one of the most difficult things that I had to go through to create this application was the way that you see how these lines, as they continuously scroll up once I complete a line. Basically, each one of these lines are what's called a Tkinter frame, and each time that I complete a line, I have to delete this frame, move this frame up to this position, and then create a brand new frame with new words. And these words are all randomly chosen from a list of top 1,000 U.S. words or English words, and that's how I get this. Now, that's pretty much all there is to it. Once the timer's over, the entry box gets disabled, so you can no longer type anything. If you hit retry, it just resets everything and can go again. Now, as you can see from the statistics table down here, you can see in our last run, I got a word per minute score of 51. Not amazing. And an accuracy of 93.43. And yeah, that's okay. And over here you can see my high scores. This is just written and read from a text file, so nothing that special here. But you can see those are my high scores from previous attempts. And that does persist through multiple sessions. So if I close this and reopen the app, those high scores will still be there. One other piece of functionality that I added to this app is up here, a topic changer. So I could see that this can get pretty boring just typing out random words all the time. So instead, what I wanted to do was I wanted to be able to type out words from specific topics and, in fact, sentences. And where's a good place to get sentences off topics? Yeah, you guessed it, Wikipedia. So let's just let's do puppies. We can type in anything we want. So once we type some subject in, we're going to query a Wikipedia library. It's called Wikipedia. It's a Python library. And what it does is it searches Wikipedia's topics for you. And so here is kind of the output of a query from that library. And we can just pick whatever subject is on here. And each one of these is a different Wikipedia article. So let's go with the puppies. What is that? Okay, apparently it's a child hip-hop sibling duo. Didn't know that. But yeah, as you can see now, we can start typing this out. And it works just the same as before. Except now we're actually typing about something and not just random words. But I have noticed that usually this will be a much slower run and much less consistent. Oh, I don't even know what that is. Oh, it's the third. Oh, my bad. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. And let's try a different topic. Let's go fighter jet. Never tried this one. Fighter, let's do fighter aircraft. Nice. Okay, one last attempt here. But I don't think I'll finish it. So I'm going to be leaving the code for this project in the description of the video. So feel free to go in there and, take a look, download it, try it out for yourself. Let me know in the comments if you find, a lot of issues with it. I'm sure you will. I don't normally code in Python. I'm actually more of a Java person. But I just wanted to make this video. Or not this video, but I wanted to make this project. So I just thought it'd be fun. So please let me know if there's things I could have done in the code that would have made the code a lot smaller, maybe a lot more concise. I always am open to feedback. Oh god, this is really bad. I'm gonna stop. Talking while doing a typing test, that is not a good idea. All right, 47. Let's go. Okay, so I can continue doing this, but I think you guys get the point. Yeah, hey, leave a like if you enjoy the video. No need to subscribe. Don't worry about that. Just kidding. Go ahead and do that. And yeah, thanks for tuning in.